Hi guys, I'm back with the dip powder mani. So before we get started, of course, I always have on my Luxie nail builder gel as a base, and then I have on, I believe, I can't remember if I did one coat or two coats of UNT peel off base coat. So the colors we're going to be using are G.I. Jane and Je ne sais quoi from Color My World Dips, which is one of my favorite Etsy shops. And then I'm also going to be using Color My World Odorless dip liquids. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So after this second coat, and I'm dipping multiple times so that the base can get soaked up, but after the second coat, I'm going in with activator to harden the solid color, because I thought G.I. Jane was, I think that's G.I. Jane. I thought it had glitter in it, but it doesn't. I don't know what type of material the pieces in the dip powder is, but I didn't want to get that on the solid color. Guys, those pieces were stuck in that container. It was like it was compressed in there. So I just took my precision tool and kind of dug those out and put them inside the disposable dip powder tray, and then I'm just tapping it just to kind of flatten those out, to kind of get it level as much as possible, because I'm going to apply that to my thumb, pinky, and then on my middle finger I'm going to attempt a French. I think it turned out okay, but those pieces, they did lay down relatively flat. Well, actually, no, let me take that back. They were flat to a certain degree. They were a little raised, but once I encapsulated and clear and did my fouling and buffing, it turned out great in my opinion. I'm just moving those pieces around on the nail, getting them away from my cuticle area and side walls and the free edge of my nail, because I don't want that to snag on anything once I finish my application. So you got to take your time when you're working with dip powder with these shards or chunks in them. I don't know what that material is. It's not foil, and I'm pretty sure Amber, who's the owner of Color My World Dips, she knows exactly what that material is, but it went on great. And so here, when I go in to do my French, I'm going to use clear for the bottom portion of the nail, and I'm going to apply that with a pipette. And so I'm going in, I'm running out of a base, which I do have a replacement. I ordered a replacement and got that last week. So it didn't, when I went to insert my middle finger into the dip powder tray at that French angle, you're getting ready to see in just a minute, the dip powder wouldn't budge. So I took my finger and kind of scooted it up on the nail, which worked. It worked. Let me just say it that way. It worked in my opinion. And then I'm going to use my pipette to apply clear to the rest of the nail. I'm not typically a different color camo person. Like, I like the army fatigue type of colors, the green and the brown and black. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, that's different. Even though I've seen pink camo, but I've never worn pink camo. And so I think after the second coat, this looked absolutely fabulous to me on the nail. I absolutely loved it. I could do my whole hand in just that color. And so I'm just pressing that down, trying to get the nail shape and to keep the shape as much as possible, that round shape, and get those as flat as possible on the nail. So that's why I'm taking my time patting that down, and the video is sped up. So as usual, I did my filing and buffing off camera. If you want to see a video regarding filing and buffing, I will link that in the cards. My videos are time-stamped. You can go directly to the filing and buffing part. It has not changed. So I'm going in and applying activator to my nails. And then I'm going to immediately go in with a lint-free towelette or like cloth. You can do a lint-free white or a paper towel that's lint-free. And I'm just going to remove any excess activator that has not soaked into the nail at this point. So I'm using dip powder top coat, and this is the odorless top coat. Again, when I use these, I don't have dip fluid. And so I have 3 rhinestones that I'm going to use on my nail just to add some little extraness, or per Angela, one of my newer subscribers, she told me she loved the way I adorn my nails. So I'm going to add some adornments to my nails. So with the first coat, guys, you want to you don't have to be super quick, but just quick enough, and you want to do that in 3 quick swipes across the width and the length of the nail. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the second coat. Here you can still kind of, you know, you don't have to be super quick, but you can take a little bit more time to apply, and then you want to cap the free edge of your nail. And so with dip powder, this odorless top coat, I should say, I have a little time to place the rhinestone. And so now, will this work if I have to place multiple rhinestones? Probably not. It may take a minute. I would probably use gel polish. So here I'm placing a bigger rhinestone, this big old crystal rhinestone, whatever you want to call it, in the middle of my nail. Y'all know when I do some type of French, I do love to put some type of rhinestone in the middle. And then I'm going to repeat and add a single rhinestone to my ring finger. So guys, here is the finished look. I thought it was so fabulous. Once your nails have dried, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil and massage that in. I usually apply it around the cuticle area and the underside of my nails, just to make sure I get oil there as well. And I'm massaging that in. So guys, please like this video if you found value, or go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.